Hey guys, this is Alex with Jammin Classics. Today we said goodbye to a 1952 Chevy pickup truck that we were working on. The customer came from Austin to our facility down here in Alvin, Texas to pick it up. And we've had it for quite a while now. I think we're close to a year on it. It got a bunch of things done to it, like the steering system got updated, the engine and the drivetrain, a lot of interior and electrical work went into the truck, along with the brake system, body and trim. It really was one of those whole restorations that we've done, and now you can see the customer, being satisfied with the work and taking it back home, back to Austin.